Yesterday afternoon, Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina of Bangladesh arrived in New Delhi at the Hindon airport for her safety. Right now, she is in a safe house, and the government officials, the Indian government officials, are meeting her. The Bangladesh embassy officials are meeting her. Even the NSA Ajit Doval came to meet her. Right now, we are standing at the Hindon Air Base. This is the exact location. Somewhere inside, Sheikh Hasina is right now having a cup of tea. She's discussing with the officials what's going to be the next strategy. The government of India had seek her time. The government of India had advised her to take a brief meeting and take the next step after a brief investigation, a brief discussion with all of the Bangladeshi officials that what should be the next step. But in midst of all this, there is one major question that everybody is thinking in their mind, that why only the Indian Air Base? It could have been the Kolkata airport, it could have been Indira Gandhi International Airport, but they all opted. The government of India made it believe, the government of India understood, and it came to the conclusion that Indian Air Base is the perfect location for Bangladesh's former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. Now, why is that so? Well, if we talk about that, one major reason is that this is like one of the safest air force station, the safest air base in the northern belt of India. In addition, the air force officials, the army officials, and other government officials have their buildings inside. The residential complexes are inside there, so that makes it pretty obvious that this is like one of a safe location. Also, the Indira Gandhi International Airport, if any official would have landed there, then it would have been pretty obvious that to move her to a safe house would have been a very, very daunting task. She would have to travel, and if she had traveled, it is a very known fact that the streets of Delhi get clogged easily, the streets of Delhi get jammed easily, and at such a big development, it is more advisable to keep a very secluded movement as soon as possible, and that is why Hindon Air Base is the perfect location for all this. Even if we talk about other things, there is one major thing right now here is that there are some residential complexes, there are a little market, but that are quite far from here. They are not too close to here, so that makes it more apt that this is actually a nice location. And even we believe that Sheikh Hasina with her sister arrived at this Air Force station only for that matter. Although the aircraft has now left the place, the aircraft is now back in Dhaka, where the situation is still quite worrisome. The people are still being attacked, the people are still being burned. Awami League, the party, Sheikh Hasina's party, is still getting attacked, and so this situation is still out of hands for Bangladesh's Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. But for now, the matter is that what is going to be her next statement? Well, if you believe, there was some rumors in the morning that she may conclude, that she may start a press conference today morning, but later on it was delayed for the day, and right now there are no developments regarding that. But right now she is still there, she is still inside. Even it is believed that some government officials are still inside with her, and a whole brief meeting right now is happening to decide the further course of action. Ansh Pandey from One India English.
Don't miss out. Follow One India for real-time updates.